loves, it's your girl Kalila. Welcome back. If you are new here, please subscribe. Okay. So today, y'all, I'm so excited to try these lashes out. This is Falscara by Kiss. Here's how the package looks. I ordered these from their direct website and they did take about 10 days to come. So I've been waiting, honey. And then they have all the steps on the back. It says if you can mascara, you can Falscara. Okay. So I'm going to show you guys the quick and easy steps to apply. And yeah, let's get on into this video. So in step 1, we're going to be doing the bonding. You're just going to use the little spoolie that it comes with and brush a light coat of the bond onto your natural lashes. And a little of this goes a long way. As you can see, I'm applying in a upward rolling motion, the same as I would do as if I was applying mascara. So same as mascara, as I'm applying it to my lashes, I'm making sure that the lashes are not clumping together, and a little of this does go a long way. I only dipped it into the tube one time. In step 2, we're going to apply the lashes using the Falscara applicator. You want to gently place the lashes underneath the base of your natural lashes, slightly away from the waterline. And then you can use the applicator to kind of squeeze the lashes in place to hold. In this set, it did give you a set of 24 assorted lengths. So it gives you 6 long, 12 medium, and 6 short. So I used on my outer lash a medium, and then I went long, medium, short. So I used 6 total per lash. When you're applying the lash, it is going to stick to it rather quickly. As you can see, when I close the applicator, it does stick just a little, but it's nothing too unbearable, like you can't pull it back off. So once you apply that lash, it is going to stay. It's not going to fall back down. And you also can overlap them if you need to or want to, and even add a couple of more for more volume if you want it. Now that they're all applied, I'm going to go through and clamp them all down to make sure they're all stuck to the bond. In step 3, we're going to seal the wisp of the lashes. You're just going to use the spoolie and dab on a thin coat of seal under the lashes. This will eliminate any sticky residue and hold the lashes in place. And please ensure that you don't have any cotton on your seal or your bond spoolie, because you will apply them to your lashes, and we don't want that. So this is optional. This is the overnighter. You would simply apply this to the wisp, just slightly away from the band of the wisp, and you can apply this an additional 2 to 3 times. Now this, I believe, is what's going to make the lashes last up to 10 days. So the overnighter is for the extended wear, and this only took me about 5 minutes each eye. So here is the final look. I think they came out really great. I'm excited to wear these because for me, like having my lashes and lips popping is like my go-to makeup. That's pretty much all I need. So when you are ready to remove them, they do come with the remover. So yeah, guys, I hope this was helpful. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until the next time, y'all. Bye.